Okay, we got some new hardware. We have, if you guys haven't seen it already, the Logitech Litra Glow. You know, someone recommended these, sent them to me, and I'm gonna test them out because I'm still using some $30 Amazon ones I purchased a while back when I first started to stream. And let's see if there's some software we need to pull up for that. So I've heard great things so far, and the fact that you just open it up, drop it on top of your monitor without having to actually put it on a stand, and you get to control it through, I believe, either the software through the computer or the actual device. Oh, we can see it perfectly. All right, we're good to go. All right, let us find something to open this with because I never have something available. I should have a box cutter at this rate. All right, no, it looks pretty sturdy. Boom, got that part done. I got two of these, by the way. It's better for you guys. There you go. Ooh. Unboxing. I love unboxing stuff. Ta-da! Ooh. Looks solid. Now, what I'm currently using, let me see if I can throw it up and show you guys. Kill off the light there. These are Newers. I believe that's what they're pronounced. Newers lights. Pack of, I think I got two for like 30 something. I'll put the link for that in the description afterwards. I like this. Oh, and you can unscrew it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it feels plastic. I'm not gonna lie, it really does feel like plastic, but I've heard, you know, the lightweight should help out. Oh, we got a cable. What type of standard? 4 feet, 3 feet? I'd say this is about 3.5, 4 feet. USB-C to USB-A. So basically, it looks like we connect it. Still got our music on, right? Yeah, we got some stream beats in the background. So through a USB-C connector, we plug that bad boy in the back here. Computer should pick it up. Remove the film off of it. Oh, the controller in the back of it here. Get this here for you guys. See that? I was wondering because I was looking for this and couldn't figure it out. So you get power option, and oh, we got levels of glow here. I think that's what warm is. Oh, so it shifts between a blue and a yellow. Okay. And then we can adjust the level of brightness for it. I will definitely say I think so far these might be brighter than the one I have. We're gonna test this out and see if we go blind with it. So I'm cranking the ones I have up right here, the Newers, all the way to the top. Now, so what we currently see is the ones I've had previously. I'm gonna kill those. Darkness. I'm joking with you guys. Woo, that is a light right there. That is nice. So if I were to put it here on top of my computer and then drop it down, let's go back to give us a nice little yellow color and lower brightness on that also. Oh, this is gonna be great. I just gotta figure out the proper lighting and heading for it, but otherwise, so far so good, man. Now let's see. These can be mounted directly to. Oh, I might be able to replace the stands I have and then use those as a camera holder. That would be great because I do have two webcams. I have a webcam and an iPhone. So let us come to the keyboard, monitor, lights, and then there is some software, creators.com, and then from the downloads, it automatically takes us there. Download the G Hub. We might have the G Hub already. We have the gaming software. Okay. So yeah, go ahead and download that bad boy onto your computer, and then you're gonna run and install that. My tips: don't do it while you're streaming, guys, or you're gonna lose everything. Power on, and then now we can manually adjust it. So we got cozy blue, cool blue, cozy daylight, mid-afternoon. We have some software sunset, cozy candlelight, and bright warm. So we might do a mid-afternoon right there. Go ahead and kill our previous light, and then we'll be able to adjust that. I feel like the controls on the computer are gonna make me definitely put this into per profile. I can lock it so I can control manual ones. Okay, so if I up the brightness, give me like a neutral tone. Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another video. So far guys, we've tested these out for about 2 weeks, and I can definitely say it's been a huge improvement in my stream and the content I can come out with. I've mainly seen improvement with being able to save profiles that I can save to match the time of day. Maybe that's when I want to film a content, or if my streams are running a little bit later, I want to have brighten colors or adjust those. So the profile settings have been amazing with this. I would definitely suggest that you guys take full advantage of that. Next off, I will say the ability to control these without actually having to touch the device with a manual slider on screen, something that you can even hotkey programming. So if we want to adjust darken that, we can just do that with a slider button. If we want to adjust that for full brightness as we have right here, it looks stunning, it looks great. I think these are a huge improvement. I would definitely recommend these. This is not paid, this is literally just my personal opinion, my review about the items. I have found the entire application has provided easy access. The only thing, a couple of things I would ding it for. There's no app to set it up on your phone, or now when it comes to the actual software itself, I wish there was a little bit more customization within it, and it'll allow us to either group them together or do it separately. One of the biggest issues I've had so far is the fact that if I want to adjust just one of them based on the angle of the shadow I'm trying to get or the lighting effects, I can't do it within the system because they're grouped together by default. So that's the only thing I would knock it for. But other than that, if you're looking for a cheap solution for your stream setup, I would definitely suggest these Logitech glows. They have been phenomenal, awesome, and guys, if you're looking for any of the stream videos, go ahead and check out the content for the link up here. Thanks.